Lesson 11. Fixing run-on sentences. Consider the words, "John came home, he got a snack." You may sense as you read it that there is something grammatically wrong with this construction. As it stands, this so-called run-on sentence is not really a sentence at all, but rather two clauses that are improperly connected. Inserting a comma between the two clauses fails to correct the problem. This false fix is called a comma splice. You can, however, fix this problem in a variety of ways. One way is to split it up into two short sentences, each with its own subject and verb. A second fix for this run-on sentence is to place a comma and a coordinating conjunction, such as and, between the two clauses, connecting them properly as a compound sentence. A third possible remedy is to remove the second subject, he, and turn the end of the sentence into a compound predicate, again, using a conjunction such as and. Here, you don't need a comma because the conjunction is sufficient to connect the two parts of the predicate. A fourth fix for this run-on sentence is to place a semicolon between the two clauses. Optionally with this construction, you can place a conjunctive adverb such as subsequently after the semicolon, separated from the second clause by a comma. As you can see, English provides a variety of ways to present a pair of main clauses. In formal writing, you should strive to avoid errors such as run-ons and comma splices.